Hi, my name's Scott Johnson and I'm here on my 15-acre property just outside of Muncie. Several years ago, I decided to construct a little farm pond to do some fishing and other recreational activities. And it was great for a while. But then I noticed I would lose, starting with an inch of water a day. And as the months and the years went on, I started losing more. I was losing 3 inches. Then my pond was down, before I knew it, a foot. And I even noticed it was leaking water into my neighbor's farm field. He wasn't happy about that, and I wasn't either. I spent a lot of money, as a lot of pond owners do. They invest a lot of time and money into their pond, and when things don't go well, you're looking for a resource. So that's when I reached out to Natural Waterscapes to find out what my options were to try to stop the leaking in my pond. When I reached out to Natural Waterscapes, they were very responsive and very knowledgeable about my problem. They have a ton of experience in dealing with these kind of situations. And you know, you're left with draining your pond and having it re-excavated, getting bentonite. I didn't want to drain the pond because then you lose all the fish. Where am I going to put them? And the ecosystem that I'm building in the pond is all gone, and I have to start from scratch. So they recommended a product called Soilfloc. It came very quick once I ordered it, and it took me less than a half an hour to disperse it in the pond. It was easy. There really wasn't a mess. My wife and I did it. It took a couple months until I started noticing, boy, as I walk around, I'm not losing as much water. Here I am, almost a year later, and my pond stays completely full. It's been, a miracle in saving my pond. If you're like me and are looking for help in stopping the water loss in your pond, call Natural Waterscapes. They're friendly, they're responsive, and they'll give you the solutions you need to help save your pond.